Experience New York vehicular assault lawyer. Vehicular assault in New York is a serious charge that occurs when someone operating a vehicle causes injury to another person. Often, this is tied to cases involving impaired or reckless driving. Facing these charges can have life-altering consequences, and understanding the legal framework around them is crucial. Lebedin Kofman LLP is dedicated to defending individuals accused of vehicular assault, providing the legal guidance to navigate these complex situations. Legal framework of vehicular assault. Vehicular assault in New York falls under specific sections of the New York Penal Law and is categorized based on the severity of the incident and the degree of impairment involved. There are three main categories: second-degree vehicular assault, first-degree vehicular assault, and aggravated vehicular assault. Each comes with distinct legal elements and penalties. Second-degree vehicular assault, NYPL Section 120.03. This charge applies when a person drives under the influence of drugs or alcohol and causes serious physical injury to another person. Legal intoxication is typically defined by a blood alcohol content, BAC, of 0.08% or higher for most drivers. Convictions can result in up to 4 years in prison, and judges may also impose probation depending on the circumstances. First-degree vehicular assault, NYPL Section 120.04. This more serious charge involves similar elements to second-degree vehicular assault but includes aggravating factors like a higher BAC, 0.18% or above, or a history of prior DWI convictions. Convictions can lead to prison sentences of up to 7 years. Aggravated vehicular assault, NYPL Section 120.04. The most severe form, aggravated vehicular assault, involves reckless behavior and often multiple victims or extremely high BAC levels. It is classified as a Class C felony, carrying penalties of up to 15 years in prison and substantial fines. Understanding the legal thresholds and the potential penalties is vital for anyone facing vehicular assault charges. Lawyers from Lebedin Kofman LLP can break down these legal elements and help build a defense. Defending against vehicular assault charges. When facing vehicular assault charges, having a robust defense is critical. Several factors can influence the outcome, and Lebedin Kofman LLP's attorneys work diligently to evaluate each case individually. Challenging blood alcohol content, BAC. The BAC is a pivotal factor in many vehicular assault cases. Challenging the validity of the BAC test or its administration can be an effective defense. A skilled lawyer can investigate if proper procedures were followed during the BAC testing and if the results may have been compromised. Prior convictions. If the defendant has prior DWI convictions, the court may impose harsher penalties. However, an attorney can argue for mitigating circumstances, such as demonstrating rehabilitation or contesting the validity of the prior offenses. Medical outcome of the victim. The severity of the victim's injuries plays a major role in determining the charges. If the injuries are less severe, the defense may argue for a reduction in charges or penalties. Lebedin Kofman LLP's lawyers are experienced in utilizing these defense strategies to help mitigate the severity of vehicular assault charges. What is vehicular assault? Vehicular assault occurs when a person unlawfully operates a vehicle and causes serious injury to another person. New York law often prosecutes these cases when alcohol, drugs, or reckless behavior are involved. The definition of serious physical injury includes any harm that poses a risk of death, leads to death, or results in permanent disfigurement or the impairment of an organ. Vehicular assault can be charged in various degrees based on the circumstances, as explained above, each with its own set of legal thresholds and penalties. Contact Lebedin Kofman LLP. Vehicular assault charges can result in severe penalties, including prison time, fines, and loss of driving privileges. It is essential to act quickly to protect your rights. At Lebedin Kofman LLP, our experienced attorneys are ready to evaluate your case, provide guidance, and build a defense strategy to help secure the best possible outcome. Call Lebedin Kofman LLP today at 646-663-4430 to schedule a consultation. Our office is located at 26 Broadway, 3rd floor, New York, New York, 10004.